Patients always ask me what is dermaplaning, and it always gets confused with microblading. We aren't tattooing eyebrows. What we're doing is we're taking a scalpel blade, a surgical scalpel blade, and gently exfoliating the dead layer of skin as well as any peach fuzz. So this is all peach fuzz. And if you look closely, you can actually see the bits of dead skin that have come off as well. They look like little flakes amongst the hair. Dermaplaning is safe for almost everyone. Another benefit of dermaplaning is that your makeup will go on smooth and flawlessly after the treatment. There's no downtime associated with this treatment. And if you're using medical grade skincare, your products will penetrate much